guys, welcome to Cooking with Ngozi. Today I am going to be showing you how to cook coconut rice. Yes, I said it, coconut rice. Yum yum yum. I love it, I love it. Now for this dish, the ingredients I'm going to be using is rice, of course, raw rice, coconut milk right here, seasoning cube, some tomatoes, onions, orange bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and red bell pepper because I love color, and some coconut oil. I always cook with coconut oil because it's quite healthy. Some salt here and some blended shrimp. Let's get to cooking. So first of all, I'm gonna pour some oil in the pot, and you're gonna let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes so it gets hot. Like I said earlier, I love cooking with coconut oil. Coconut oil has so many healthy benefits to it. So when you're cooking with coconut oil, pour as many as you can. As a matter of fact, it's actually advised to put raw coconut oil on your food. Raw coconut oil on your food. So coconut oil is so healthy. So try coconut oil, give it a try. You can find it at any store. It's not that expensive. It's about under $5 to get a huge jar of it. So give it a shot, give it a try. So the first step is pouring the oil in the pan, and I let it sit for about 2 minutes for it to get hot, and then I put my onions in. Ooh. Yes. I let it sit for a little bit, not too long. It smells so good right now, so good. I actually don't let my onions fry for a long time when I'm cooking coconut rice. Then the next step is tomatoes. I let it sit for a little bit, 2 to 3 minutes. You can see the color has changed a little bit. It looks good. Then the next step is the bell peppers. The beautiful bell pepper. I love the colors on that. So you can see the color has really changed. It looks really good. So the next step right now is putting my salt. I like to use my hands because it gives me control while I put my salt. Then the next step, I pour the coconut milk. Yum 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 yum. I love it. Honestly, coconut rice is my favorite rice. Have I said that? You let it come to a boil. So the next step is some water. Pour some water in there, and you put your seasoning cube. You mix it together. And then the next step is the rice. Of course, there's no coconut rice without rice. And make sure you wash your rice before. This is starting to smell good. Good. Did I say that coconut rice is my favorite rice? Oh yeah, I did. I said that. Okay. I said that. So right now you cover it, you let it come to a boil. So after it has boiled for a while, the last step is the blended shrimp top. Don't put too much that it will overpower the taste of the coconut, but enough to make it taste really good. So now we cover it and we let the rice cook. This will take about, let's say 10 to 12 minutes. We'll let it cook. Okay, so it has been cooking for about 15 minutes. Now let's check the rice. Ooh, that looks beautiful. Beautiful. So the rice is done. You can turn it. Looks gorgeous. I love the color. Coconut rice is one of the most delicious rice in the whole entire world. Did I say coconut rice is my favorite rice? So now let's give it a taste. Did I say coconut rice is my favorite rice? I love it. It is the most delicious rice in the whole entire world. You need to cook this. Don't forget to go to my website to get the list of the recipes are going to be in my website. Now let's give it a taste. Oh, do you see how beautiful that is? Let me get some of that. Oh. All right, let's give it a taste. It's very hot, but it's so good. I couldn't stop. I should have stopped and blow it. Okay, let me blow it so I can enjoy it. So delicious. Coconut rice, one of the best rice. If you look at the color, it looks so beautiful with the red and orange and yellow bell pepper. So good. And don't forget the grounded shrimp. It makes the rice taste excellent. You must give it a shot. Don't forget to go to my website and get the whole list of the recipe on how to make it. I hope you have enjoyed this episode of Coconut Rice Cooking with me. Don't forget to tune in next week to watch out what we have in store for you. Thank you for watching.